What's up, guys? We're going to take a few minutes to show you a little something that can easily get overlooked when you are working on your graphics, particularly if you are working with layers. Now, up in front of you, what you see is a building here, and you'll notice I don't have any room numbers. And it's a simple thing, and I'm going to show you what it is. Over here on the right, I've got my layers tab. I'm going to bring that up, and then I'm just going to turn the room text on and then close it out, and you can see that my room numbers have all appeared. However, this is basically something that we want to come up obviously as default. For example, if I hit my refresh button and refresh my screen, you're going to see that my numbers are gone again, and it's a simple fix. It's a easy thing to take care of. And then sometimes setting these layers up, this is what we run into. And the way that we do that, we're going to go into our graphics editor. So we're going to go up here to our skinny snowman. I'm going to come in here, go to feature management. I'm going to go to graphics manager, and it's going to pull me into the space that I had up on screen. And we're going to simply edit the graphic real quick. And again, what we have here is our layers. I'm going to open up my layers. And you can see here basically what it is. We don't have this check by it automatically. And if we don't have a check by it here in our graphics manager, what it's going to do is it's not going to display by default. It is very easy to overlook this or to turn it off if you're in here doing any kind of editing or anything like that. So you just need to make sure to turn it back on. So I'm going to turn that layer on, and all I've got to do now is I'm going to hit save. And then I'm going to go back to my original page. I'm going to go back over here, hit first floor. And now you can see that as soon as I pull in, I'm getting my numbers again. My room numbers are back. It's a simple thing that is very easy to overlook when you are doing this. And again, I just wanted to throw this short video out there. But as usual, guys, like and share the videos. Check out all the links down below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.